Hey guys, Jared here, and I got this product to review for this video from the company, and this product is pretty awesome. This is a cordless vacuum that you can use for either the car or any small area that you have around the house. So not only is it a cordless vacuum, but it's also an air blower too as well. So this is great for detailing the car and or getting dust and debris out of those like tiny areas. So it's powered by a USB-C right here, and you can plug that into any power source. And then on one side of this here, you're going to put this attachment, and this attachment does have a filter that goes in on this side, and it comes with an extra one right here as well. To put the filter in, you're just going to pop it in just like this, and then we'll plug it into this side of the vacuum. Now you have a couple different attachments here that you can use. You can either just use it like this, you could put this one on here, or you could use this attachment as well, which I use a lot in my car. And then you can really work on cleaning up those small areas. Two different levels on here. When you turn it on, you've got a low and a high, and then off. With the blower, you'll put either this attachment on here, which is just a little bit smaller than the other one, and then you have this longer one too as well. So that way you can really get into those deep crevices. Twist it, and then it's on. And then when you hit the power button, you still have those two power settings there. And the majority of that was just on the low setting. We'll vacuum this up. So then we'll swap this over to the vacuum side. Pop this, take this off. Pop this on. Low. High setting. This is even great for getting between the cushions in the couch. It's even great for the dog. I was actually surprised by the amount of power that this gives. This is a great portable vacuum. Definitely say check this out. It's a strong portable vacuum that you can use in your car or within your home. So take a look at this.